What's up, everybody? All right, check it out. I just got done changing the brakes on the Ford, and now we're gonna talk about the Chevy. All right, let's check this out. We've got the Chevy. Oh yeah, look at this. We've got a bunch of nasty seats. We're gonna vacuum these up. They're actually not too bad. I could probably just get some seat covers for them, but they're old, they're cracked. Well, they're not really cracked. Well, right here they are. But they got a good base. And I think we're gonna basically, this one doesn't. This one's horrible. But I found some kits that I can redo the seats. So we're gonna redo the seats on this. Possibly look into getting a new headliner and figuring that out. But in the meantime, we're gonna clean this up, come in, detail it, vacuum everything out, pull the seats out, maybe just pull the carpet out. We're gonna look at getting some new carpet. But first things first, we're buying a lift kit for this. So this truck has the 454, and basically a little rundown here is this piece broke. Apparently the kid I got it from, he leaned on this or something and it broke. Anyways, this is an old brass radiator. These are good radiators. I'd like to see about getting it fixed, but honestly, I'm probably just gonna buy a new radiator, slap it in here, and then go through the motor as far as just getting it running, check compression maybe, do a few things, new air filter, just get it running good. She runs good. So like, she runs. I've got some videos of her running, so don't get me wrong, she definitely runs pretty good. But this truck is actually a C20, and they converted it to four-wheel drive. So we don't have to do the conversion, it's already done, but we're buying the lift kit tomorrow, and we're gonna go pick it up, and we're gonna get started on the lift kit. Now, the transmission was leaking a little bit of tranny fluid. I don't know if that was out of the transmission or the transfer case, but it was leaking some stuff, and I don't like that. So we're gonna throw the lift on it, and then we're gonna get it running, and we're gonna get it fired up. The battery's dead on it right now, but the way it was parked, I kind of had it parked on an angle, and all the gas was going to one end, and I didn't really, I only put like a couple gallons in. I didn't really fill it up, so we're gonna fill it up with gas, put some more gasoline in it, and then once we get gasoline in it, we'll get a battery for it. Well, we'll charge this battery. We might get another battery, but as you can see, it's got the old front drive line. Oh yeah, check out that. Got some rope here used to pull it out of the backyard. But this bed's pretty clean. I mean, everything on this truck is fairly clean. Now, bear with me here. I got a kind of a tight space here. I got some ice melt stuff I need to relocate here to give me a little bit more room. I think this is a little bit of room, but there's some Bondo here. You know, this stuff's pretty thick. I don't know what they had going on here. Maybe just some rust. Maybe they were just trying to make it match the body here. Honestly, I don't know. But we're gonna try to sand it down a little bit, and there's some more Bondo kind of on this back area here. Maybe looks like something happened here. They were fixing a few things. But overall, the only other issue I have is the doors. Obviously, I need to get those situated a little bit better so they, you know, close better. But this door right here, we got new fenders on the front. This door right here, she's got a big old dent. And I'm thinking we may try to pull this out just because. And then obviously there's some surface. That's pretty bad right there. The only other thing is on the floor here, we do have some holes in the floor, but cutting a square out of that shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, so she's a project, and it's gonna be a fun project, but she runs. So that's the main reason why I traded the Yamaha TW 200 for it was because it runs. I mean, look at this bed. This bed's in really good shape. I really love a truck bed. I used to love flat beds, but I don't know. I like a truck bed. Who knows? Maybe we'll throw a flat. No, just kidding. We won't ever throw a flat bed on here. But in the future, we may be shortening this bed here. We'll see. We're gonna take it off-road. We're gonna do some off-roading with it. Well, like I said, we're gonna put a 12-inch lift kit on it, and we're either gonna, I haven't decided yet. Once we lift it, I'll probably take a couple tires off of the Suburban and throw it on here just to kind of see, you know, where we're sitting fender wise with a set of 40s. But realistically, I'd love to throw a set of 42s on here. That'd be pretty sweet. So stay tuned. I know this isn't like a humongous start video, but this is just a video here just to let everybody know that this is what's coming next. This will be the focus, the majority of the focus of the YouTube channel this year. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we're gonna put some time and effort and money, and hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully you guys watch, like, subscribe. I don't know, it's all for free. You can watch a video for free. Any view you give me as far as watching this build or whatever, it all helps. But the main goal, I'll be honest with you, the main goal here is to see if we can, between the shorts that we've been doing and the content that we're going to try to produce with this, and obviously there's always going to be projects with the other SquareBody stuff. I mean, we just do what we do. But for those who want to follow the build, follow it. Whether it's the shorts or whether it's the full-length videos, YouTube is where we're going to put the majority of it. TikTok, we'll probably put some stuff on TikTok, but if you want the full-length videos and the stuff that we do, obviously it's going to be on YouTube. So, like I said, I'll be honest, I do make some money off the videos, as with any YouTuber, but like, that's the goal. Like, we just want to do fun things and provide content for the viewers, for one. But at the same time, it is for me, as far as building this and making it cool and you know, like the Suburban, just for example, the Suburban here, she's on 40s. You've seen her before. But yeah, so those are brand new 40s Neato trail grapplers. Once we get it lifted, we're gonna bring those, we're gonna take those rears off and put it on the rear here. Now, right now, this has 35s. So this has 35s. I don't know what kind of lift is on here. Maybe they just leveled it. I don't know. I mean, it kind of looks a little lifted, but I don't know, man. So anyways, that's it. I'm gonna go because I'm gonna go test out these brakes on the F-150. I'm gonna go get these videos online, and then, like I said, tomorrow we'll pick up the lift kit. I'll start making other videos as far as the progress, you know, and what we're gonna be doing. It's actually the lift kit. Actually, I'll tell all about it in the next video. So stay tuned. I'll tell you about the things we need to do to this with the lift kit and things you're gonna need to do to put on the lift kit. Now, I'm not like a super mechanic or anything. I'm just a backyard mechanic. I know how to do a lot of things. And honestly, if I watch some YouTube videos or have other people help me, I can do most things. But, so that's what we're doing. We're gonna do it in here, in the garage. We're gonna build it, we're gonna lift it. Yes, if I lift it, we'll still be able to get it out of the garage door. I know some people are concerned about that. But anyways, have a good day. Smile. Go check out the links. Go check out some Bucked Up. Auxito light bulbs for LEDs. If you need some LEDs in your ride, go there. Click the links below. Amazon, as always, if you need anything from Amazon, man, just click the link and go buy something. I don't know. It helps me out. I do make a small commission. But for the most part, I just appreciate all you guys watching and checking out the shorts. So here we go. Let's get this party started, man. This year, 2025, it's gonna be a good year.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way